Hi, I'm Sean Brannigan, and I'm going to walk you through how to do an expungement. An expungement is a very elusive beast. An expungement is you sealing an old record, a court record. It could be an arrest, it could be a conviction, but it's something pertaining to an incident involving law enforcement that you don't want people to look up on sites like Instant Checkmate, sites that can basically blow up your spot and ruin your chances of getting that job or getting that promotion. And that's why people usually hire lawyers for these. They've gotten a lot more difficult over the years because of the computer age. It used to be an expungement. If you did it right, they would take out the index card from the basement of the police department, and it was the only copy, and they throw it in the garbage. In the computer age, the records have been shared. There's file sharing. So the facts and the docket number and the defendants and the attorney's names and what you're accused of, whether you're convicted or not, that's all on the record of every concurrent law enforcement agency's computer in that jurisdiction. So whether it's your town, like I'm in Montclair, your county, I'm in Essex County, and I'm in New Jersey. Montclair Police, Essex County Police, and New Jersey State Police have a record of that. So just be mindful of that. But moving forward, the first step is to get a disposition of the case. So a lot of people get confused. Well, I was never convicted of anything. All right, well, there's still a record of your arrest. Not a good look if you're looking to get that promotion or become that CEO or become a cop or really anybody, because even Kentucky Fried Chicken does a background search. So get that disposition. Find out if you're eligible, okay? Usually in New Jersey, you could do 1 felony and 2 disorderly persons offenses in the same expungement. So you can kill up to 3 birds with 1 stone or 1 petition. That said, your next step is to fill it out very detailed, very nicely, okay? Type it. Present it by hand to the court. But keep in mind, you want to notice, once it's filed and you get that expungement date, which is essentially a court date where the judge can either sign it or not. It's kind of like a bankruptcy petition in the sense that you have to notice all the concurrent law enforcement agencies if they want to attend the proceeding to object. So in bankruptcy, and that's the next video I'll do, which is, how to go bankrupt, and I'll walk you through bankruptcy, federal bankruptcy. But for this video's purpose, the expungement relates to a bankruptcy in the sense that the same way you have to notify your creditors if they want to appear and challenge your bankruptcy, the same way you have to notice all the cops if they want to come and challenge your expungement, okay? Because once your matter is sealed, it's gone. No one can find it. Poof, like it never even happened. And that's what I do for my clients, and that's what you can do for yourself if you follow my instructions. So that's what you have to do. So in New Jersey, let's say you're arrested in Trenton. So you have to notice certified mail, return receipt, Trenton Police, Mercer County Police, or Mercer County Sheriffs, New Jersey State Police, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, I believe. There's a list of them, okay? And I'll actually post it for you later. But what you want to do is keep your receipts so you can show that you noticed these agencies and include that so that the judge signing the petition knows that you did this, okay? And again, most of what we do as lawyers is keep copious records of documents. So if you're going to be your own lawyer, and you can do this, keep a file. Keep it organized. Keep everything copacetic. Scan it. Put it into a cloud. Because you will lose it. Things happen in life. But be a good custodian of these records because you will need them. So if the order is granted, okay, if your petition's done well, you do not have to appear at this court date. A lot of people are confused about that. You don't have to appear in court to get an expungement. Okay? So if your paperwork's done right, you fill it out, you hand deliver it. The reason I hand deliver my stuff, they always lose your documents. You also can get a stamped, filed copy of it. It evidences your work product. So if something happens, and it tends to happen a lot, you could say, here's my stamped, filed copy. Here's a copy of, I have everything copacetic. And that's really, for you people that can't fail and you really need it to be successful, go with an attorney. I mean, I'm yourjerseylawyer.com. My name is Sean Brannigan. But a lot of lawyers are fairly competent at this. And I'm going to get into in a moment where most lawyers fail. But once you file the petition in person with those certified mail proofs that you've served those concurrent law enforcement agencies, you then are either denied or you got it. Congratulations, you're almost there. I call that phase 1. Phase 2, okay? I know, and this occurs over months, so it drives people crazy. You know, the uncertainty can drive you crazy, but it's okay. Stay the course, okay? If it was difficult, everyone would do it. If you stay the course, you get that first part done, you have to then take the certification from the judge, the signed order for expungement, known as the petition, and then serve it on all these agencies again. Trenton Police, Mercer County Sheriffs, New Jersey State Police, and so on. And so once they're served with a return receipt, certified mail, so you can, again, prove that you sent it, it forces them to delete it from their computers. So for all you people that are victims of harassment, or you're being, judged for your past, and these new cops come in and they look up your old records, it'll certainly decrease that because it'll be less available to employers, to police, to governmental agencies, to anybody. I mean, this is the information age, so we have to protect ourselves. Once you do that final step and you serve that successful petition to all those agencies, they have a duty and a responsibility to delete it from their computers. And that's the expungement process. Good luck. You can do it. Get your record expunged, protect yourself, execute with excellence. Have a great 2017. As of recording of this, it's a few days before New Year's. I want everyone to have a blessed New Year. Stay happy and healthy. Please like this and share this if you got anything, from it. Godspeed. yourjerseylawyer.com. Thanks.